Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Put next to the door.
Oh! Big one. All right, guys, we're back. A lot of you guys were inquiring and commenting on, hey, twins, what's gonna happen with that roof? Well, in today's video, we're about to get started. So I have Robert here with All Star, and we're both gonna head up there. He's been putting a lot of poisons in there because the last thing we wanna do is open up the tile roofs, get them exposed, and then they run off and impact the neighbors. So we have to keep them very, very contained. But Robert did a great job by injecting a lot of poisons up in the roof rafters. And so we're gonna do some inspections. We're also gonna go into the attic and see how many we have right now that are dead. So let's head up on the roof. All right, Robert, so before we go up there, what was the plan? Did you guys put the rodent side inside the clay tiles?
Yeah. So what we did is we went over the whole roof, pulled up a bunch of tiles and threw the poison underneath there. Before we did that, we made sure that there was no vegetation touching the roof and easy access to get off of the roof. We wanted them contained inside. So that's what we did. So let's check to see how much is left up there.
Nice. Looking forward to it. All right, guys, so here's the roof. On the original video, you saw our entire team head up here first before we went to that room over there. You can see the secretion. See the secretion there. Definitely a hot spot here on the roof. All the secretion here. They're running in and out of here. Can't imagine what it's going to look like inside. But we're going to head over here and see what Robert did.
These sections where the tiles are picked up and moved, this is where we put our poison down, and all we have left is the paper. It's all gone. Wow, look at that. Look at this. There is no roofing paper left. This is what's left underneath the tiles.
Yeah, that's what the rats chewed up, guys. Even the wood here underneath the clay. You can tell that they've removed some tiles over here as well.
Yeah, here's another spot where we put it down, and this is all that's left. Just this little paper. Let's see, where else did we put it down? Right over here, there's another section.
Okay.
Just the damage done is incredible. I've never seen anything like this.
One of the worst that Robert and I have seen in our entire career. This is probably, guys, one out of maybe a couple thousand calls that we're going to go to. So it's a really good learning experience for both of us. And this type of infestation, it was great to partner up here with Robert and All Star.
So we're demoing the whole roof, so putting these back where we want them is not a problem. This roof is coming off next week.
Yeah, next week you guys will be a part of that as well. We're going to show you what we're going to do because this entire roof's going to have to come out.
Nothing left. It's all gone.
The grease marks all over this plywood.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, check this out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Dead rat. Look at how big that tail is. So you can tell that the poisons are working, guys.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a big guy.
Ooh,
oh,
that is so stinky, guys. Look at the maggots. Take it over.
Oh, I can smell it. The sun is cooking it.
Ooh.
Here's another one. Number 2.
Number 2.
On the roof, just out in the open. Look at that. So we got them contained. They're not leaving anywhere. They're staying here, and neighbors are happy.
Yeah, actually, guys, the neighbors on each side, when Robert and all of us came in, they said that each of the neighbors caught over 200 rats just in their property. So they are watching us very closely to make sure that we're not dispersing these rats to migrate into the neighborhood. So we're being very, very cautious of that.
Oh, those guys are
nasty.
Stinking.
All right, guys, so right below me is the garage. So we're gonna head down into the garage, and then we're gonna head into the attic. So let's see what we find in that garage. All right, guys, me and Robert are gonna get suited up here before we start going into the garage as well into the attic. It's so disgusting in here, you guys. Let me get some light on right now.
There's one right there.
Where?
Up top.
Live?
Yeah. You know, it's interesting. When I was here, there's a dead one right here. I want to show you here. Let's look at these ears. See these ears?
Yeah.
These ears are full size. The live ones that I saw in the attic, they're missing their ears. They were either chewed off or something happened to them. The ears were tiny.
Wow.
And it was 5 or 6 of them. Got a couple more over here.
You live? Oh yeah, look at that. They have just taken over this house, you guys.
You want to check the twin trap?
Yeah, let's check the twin trap.
Let's see.
Robert placed our twin trap in here how many days ago? It says 0, so I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, there's okay.
Oh, there's one there. On the rafters.
The corner?
Oh, right here. Yeah, bring them over here. There we go.
Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
Up top. You know, they're probably just sitting up here.
Yep.
They're just underneath. Oh, there's one right there.
I'm fast as
Oh, I'm gonna head up that ladder here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at that guys right there. They're looking right at me.
Wow.
Gone?
No, they're all there.
The rats are, huh?
Yeah, there's like 15 or so.
Yeah.
Jesus.
They're squealing in the garage here, guys.
Yeah. Going that way.
Look at his legs. Oh, there he is. We don't have a grabber, huh?
I gotta grab her right here.
The legs are hurt.
Yeah. Can't believe the amount of pieces in here. You know, when we started this job 9 days ago,
Yeah.
this floor was entirely swept up. It was entirely swept up. It was wet from cleaning it. And this is in the matter of 2 weeks. This is incredible. This is 2 weeks. We're at 450 rats.
Yeah. Amazing.
450 rats out of here.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Hey, you wanna see the attic?
Yeah, let's go into the attic.
Yeah.
Trying to scope that out. Again, what we're trying to accomplish, guys, keep everything contained right now. So the roof is going to be completely removed next week. So in the meantime, we're just kind of seeing how effective the poisons have been. And that's what we're investigating today. So we're just bringing you along this journey here. So now we're heading up to the attic. So here's the access. Right near the access is a dead rat. It's sure a lot quieter from the first day that we got here, which is a very, very good sign. This attic is unbelievable. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Here's a live one right here, guys. Right there. Watch, it's gonna move. Right there. See the back? You can see that the poisons are working very, very well. This one's about to die here. See the eyes. No movement whatsoever. Very, very slow. Can't even move. This will probably die in the next 2 to 4 hours. So you can see these little containers filled with liquid that they've been drinking. It's called Liquitox. And that's what this rat consumed.
Yeah, you know, it's just, we were, you know, I prefer not to use the poisons.
But in this case, it doesn't matter. In a regular application, you and I both know would never do that.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't make sense. But in this situation, they're moving out. We've got the whole house. That's the only way with this type of infestation.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's ready to die. Doesn't even care. Yeah, before, guys, when we first came, the rats were running everywhere. They were so alive, and this attic was just jumping with them. Now you could tell it's definitely silencing. Go ahead and use a snap trap. See if I can. Oh, put your head in there. There we go. That got him. He's gone now. No more suffering.
Most of the rats
Okay.
come down
Yep. I heard him too.
and go down here.
Yeah. So when this gets removed,
Yeah.
there's probably going to be a lot exposed in this house. So all of the walls, guys, are coming down
Right there.
to the studs. So the drywall, all the wall cavities will be completely exposed. All the furniture is going to be dumped out.
There's one right there. The black one.
Insane. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah.
There we went. I don't have anything to gravel.
Wow. Yep.
May have gone under here.
Underneath the door.
Maybe. That was 2, 3. Ah.
Alright guys, so that's enough for our inspection today. It's kind of a pre-inspection. Tile roof's going to come down, all the walls. We're going to keep you posted as to what we find. It's going to be super, super interesting. What do you think, Robert?
I think so. Yeah, a lot more to come.